Hey everybody, I am answering a question given from one of the viewers here, asked by one of the viewers, said, I removed my playback screen, what do I do? And I hope this is the issue that you're talking about. Sometimes a window will get closed within Premiere Pro. There's a shortcut that closes windows. It's actually, if you're on a Mac, it's Command W. If you're on a PC, it's Control W will close a window. Like if you close your timeline window unintentionally, or you hit this little X right there, or hit like Command or Control W, and that window disappears and your program disappears. Or even if you've closed this window right here, let's show you some easy ways of getting that back. First of all, if it is just your timeline, you can go down to your timeline within your project window. These icons right there show that these are timelines. You can just simply double click on those, and that way, and if you close your timeline, that will restore your timeline. So this is a timeline right here. This is a timeline. This is a timeline. If you want to search your timelines within a project, you can go up to your search engine and you can type in the word sequence, and it will show your timelines, or what that Premiere Pro calls sequences, and it narrows it down just to the sequence. Here's another project over here. Let's show you this. Just type in sequence, and it narrows everything down to just sequences. Whether they're in folders or hidden in other places, it will reveal them and show them. And once you reveal those, you can just simply double click on it and it restores your timeline, and there's your program window. But if you close your program window, there's another way you can open that up. So if I'm going to go on this program window, hit Command W, and it closes it and it's completely gone. And if that is completely gone, you can just go up to Window, the Window drop down, go to Workspaces. Right now I'm under the Editing Layout or the Editing Workspace. But if you've goofed it up, and let's even move things around. I'm going to grab some windows and just drag them around and move them into different places, so it just kind of totally messes things up here. But what you can do is you can go up to Window, Workspace, and go down to Reset to Saved Layout. Reset to Saved Layout will restore it back to this default layout here. If you like a workspace that you have created, you can go to Save It as New Workspace. I've got one right here that I got called My Workspace and Home Dual. So I've got a couple of them that I've saved for my custom workspaces. But as long as you're on editing that default one and just go to Reset to Saved Layout, it will restore it, and you are back to your default layout or workspace. I call it layout, but Premiere Pro calls it workspace. So sorry about the conflict in words there. So anyway, well, thank you for watching Chinfat, and if you have any questions or comments, please post them below.